Hey, what's going on? James Bill here, and welcome to my channel here, where you're going to be entertained, educated, and motivated as to how to make money online. Guys, my topic for today is one of my favorite quotes. You do not have to be great to start, but you do have to start in order to be great. Stop letting fear hold you back from creating the success that you desire. I've heard so many people, talk about the fear of promoting themselves, like what I'm doing right now. I'm no guru or anything like that. I'm nobody special, no different than you are. But I just took the action and committed. I knew I wanted to create success for myself, guys, and I found a way, and I started doing self-development, got some mentoring. I followed the path of those that had the success that I wanted. And that's what I want to share with you today. Don't let fear get in the way. Fear, mediocrity, the naysayers, any of that stuff. Don't let any of that stop you from following your dreams. You have that vision. That seed was planted within you. So it's up to you to nurture that seed and just let it grow. Let it grow. Remember, anything worth having is worth working for. But success, guys, in order to attain success, it's gonna take some work. It's not gonna be easy, but if you want it bad enough, it's well worth it, and it's right at your fingertips. You just have to take action, guys. So don't let fear, stop you from doing anything that you want to do. It's your vision. Take that seed. That's my message for today. If that seed is in you and you want more, you have the vision, take it and run with it, guys. Don't let anything hold you back. That's my word for you today. God bless.